If you're an MLOps engineer wrestling with fragmented workflows, manual rollbacks that break under pressure, or models that scale like a greased pig at a county fair, this pack is your lifeline. We've baked Docker Kubernetes containerization templates for reproducible deployments, automated model serving pipelines with torch serve integration, real-time Prometheus Grafana dashboards for latency tracking, and GitOps-driven A/B testing workflows that auto rollback on metric degradation. Whether you're a DevOps lead architecting CI/CD pipelines, a data scientist sweating over model drift, or an ML platform engineer scaling clusters, this toolchain cuts your deployment cycles by 70%. Say goodbye to works on my machine chaos and hello to production grade sanity. Here's what's inside the ML model deployment pack. Containerization modules with multi-stage Docker files optimized for Onyx models. Kubernetes operators for GPU resource orchestration. Model serving pipelines with REST gRPC endpoints and async inference queues. Prometheus exporters for tracking prediction latency and data drift. A/B testing controllers using Istio traffic splitting. Rollback automation triggered by custom metrics thresholds. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool chain, it's your deployment GPS with guardrails. Installing the ML model deployment pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add ML model deployment pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: containerization configs, serving APIs, monitoring dashboards, and rollback playbooks. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent ML ops, understanding deployment manifests, service meshes, and canary release strategies. No PhD in YAML required. Just type deploy and watch the magic happen. Your models deserve better than duct tape and prayer.